Good morning. We have a lot of customers that would like RO water, not just at the kitchen sink, but run to the refrigerator. And we've even had a lot of customers do it at multiple outlets throughout the house, whether it be a vanity or wet bar area, extra ice maker, something like that. And if you're building a house and you'd like to do that, you need to let your builder know before the house or while the house is being framed. And they can run a PEX tube, similar to this, 1/2 inch, or we can do it for you. And we can run from the RO to different locations throughout the house. This would just come out the wall, like underneath the kitchen sink, behind the refrigerator, wet bar, or wherever. We then put a valve on it, shut-off valve, and then we can put a faucet, any one of these faucets, mounted on the vanity top or wet bar area or whichever you would like. So you have options, but you need to run special tubing. You can't run copper or anything else. You have to run the PEX tubing to any location you'd like. But it's critical that you do this beforehand. We also get a lot of questions that they have an RO, we can put it underneath the kitchen sink. Can we get it to other places after the house is built? If the refrigerator is banked with the same set of cabinets, like 3 feet away maybe from the kitchen sink, yes, we can run a line through the back of the cabinets and get you RO water to your refrigerator. Unfortunately, if the sink is on this side and the refrigerator is on the other side of the room, there's just no way to get the pipe there, so you're limited in what you can do. So if you have any questions about where you can get RO water to and multiple locations, just reach out and give us a call. We'll answer any questions you've got. Thank you.